One of our top stories, and at least 450 million shillings of public funds allegedly stolen in Kenya and stashed in secret offshore bank accounts are said to be returned to the country to help in the fight against COVID-19. This follows a landmark asset recovery agreement signed in London between the governments of Jersey and Kenya. NTV's Oko Okusa with those details.
The deal with Jersey, a self-governing island in the English Channel, has been hailed as a victory for the people of Kenya by Kenya's High Commissioner in the UK, Manoa Esipisu.
Today's signing of the asset sharing agreement between Kenya and Jersey is for the repatriation of £3 million to Kenya, and it marks the end of a long and tedious process which began in 2017 when the preliminary asset sharing agreement was signed in Nairobi. It was on the 3rd of March 2017.
According to Manoa, the funds were confiscated by Jersey authorities in 2011 following the successful conviction of Windward Trading Limited for money laundering offences. Back in 2006, Samuel Gicheru, who was the managing director of Kenya Power, and his wife Salome Njeri were involved in a stormy divorce process which saw Njeri claim that some of her husband's assets were being hidden from the proceedings and, in court, listed details of accounts she said belonged to Gicheru in Jersey. The allegations triggered a 9-year investigation by the Jersey authorities, which revealed that Gicheru and former Finance Minister Okemo had reportedly benefited from kickbacks from multinationals and sent the monies to a Jersey-registered company. In 2016, Windward Trading Limited, Jersey-registered company, pleaded guilty to 4 counts of money laundering in a Jersey court. The court thereafter ruled that the company, which is associated with Gicheru, should be stripped of more than 540 million shillings in assets for money laundering. That is part of the money which is now being returned to the country to support the government in the ongoing response to COVID-19 pandemic.
And I am pleased that Jersey has played a leading role in this landmark event. I hope that this acts as a model of future returns under the FRAC and will act as further demonstration of Jersey's continued commitment to the international cooperation in the fight against corruption.
And I am so pleased that much needed lab equipment will be procured over the next few months so we can focus not only on the COVID-19 response but also other diseases across Kenya.
We want to ensure that the funds are utilised well, that the communities feel the benefit, not just in the short term but in the long term. I think it's been 2 years we've been waiting, but I think it's been well worth the wait.
With the funds set to be sent back to Kenya from Jersey, the focus now turns to the possible extradition from Kenya to Jersey of the 2 accused men. Not lost to many is the fact that the Jersey authorities had issued arrest warrants for Gicheru and Okemo, but that is yet to happen. Oko Okusa, NTV.